Calendula officinalis, or pot marigold, is nature's powerhouse for skin and hair rejuvenation. Packed with flavonoids and triterpenoids, it protects against damage and reduces inflammation. These compounds stimulate collagen production, keeping our skin firm and youthful. With its antioxidant properties, calendula fights premature aging, and its antibacterial effects help combat acne. Not only does it soothe irritation, but it also nourishes, promoting faster healing and healthier skin. Plus, it's fantastic for scalp health, leading to stronger, shinier hair. Embracing calendula in your beauty routine is like giving your skin and hair a natural boost. Calendula officinalis is a remarkable natural remedy for soothing inflammation, especially for red, irritated skin. Its secret? Powerful compounds called triterpenoids, known for their strong anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you're battling sunburn, insect bites, or eczema flare-ups, calendula provides gentle yet effective relief. It's safe for sensitive skin, making it ideal for chronic conditions like rosacea. Plus, it helps modulate the immune response, calming your skin and preventing further damage. With its antibacterial and antiseptic qualities, calendula not only soothes but also promotes healing, bringing your skin back to balance. Calendula officinalis is a powerhouse for acne-prone skin. Its antibacterial properties tackle the bacteria that cause breakouts, while its anti-inflammatory compounds soothe redness and swelling. Unlike harsher treatments, calendula is gentle, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, it promotes wound healing and helps reduce acne scars, allowing your skin to recover faster and look clearer. Incorporating calendula into your skincare routine can be a game changer for achieving healthy, radiant skin. Calendula officinalis is a remarkable natural remedy for wound healing and scar reduction. Its antibacterial and antiseptic properties not only help prevent infections, but also promote faster recovery by encouraging tissue regeneration. When you apply calendula, it speeds up the growth of new, healthy skin cells, making it perfect for cuts, scrapes, and even acne scars. Plus, it boosts collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing scar appearance over time. Incorporating calendula into your skincare routine can transform your healing process and support overall skin health. Calendula officinalis is a powerhouse for dry, irritated skin. Packed with essential fatty acids, it works wonders by repairing your skin's moisture barrier, locking in hydration for that soft, nourished feel. Its anti-inflammatory properties are a game changer, soothing redness and irritation, making it perfect for those dealing with eczema or dermatitis. To incorporate calendula into your routine, look for creams or oils that feature this incredible flower. Your skin will thank you for the hydration and relief it craves. Calendula officinalis isn't just a skin savior. It's a powerhouse for your hair and scalp too. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties soothe dry, itchy scalps, making it perfect for anyone battling irritation or dandruff. Plus, the rich nutrients in calendula promote healthy hair growth, helping you achieve thicker, shinier locks. Incorporating calendula into your hair care routine can be as simple as using infused oils or shampoos. With its gentle, natural approach, you can transform your scalp health and boost your hair's vitality effortlessly. Give it a try and watch your hair thrive. Calendula officinalis is a powerhouse for anyone dealing with a dry, itchy scalp. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders, calming irritation and providing relief. Plus, its antifungal action tackles dandruff, keeping your scalp healthy and flake-free. But that's not all. Calendula is packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that nourish your scalp, promoting stronger, shinier hair. Incorporating calendula into your hair care routine can transform your scalp health and give you beautiful, vibrant hair. It's nature's secret weapon for a happy scalp. Calendula officinalis isn't just a pretty flower, it's a powerhouse for your skin. Packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, it fights off free radicals that lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and dark spots. Imagine protecting your skin from sun exposure and pollution with a natural remedy. Incorporating calendula into your skincare routine can help maintain that youthful glow. Whether in creams or oils, this botanical hero soothes and shields your skin, keeping it healthy and radiant. Embrace the magic of calendula and let your skin thrive. Calendula officinalis is a powerhouse for brightening your skin and tackling dark spots. Packed with antioxidants, especially flavonoids, it works wonders in fading hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin tone. But that's not all. Calendula also encourages skin cell regeneration, giving you that radiant glow we all crave. By incorporating calendula into your skincare routine, you can transform your complexion, making it brighter and more even. It's nature's secret weapon for achieving that luminous skin you've always wanted. Calendula officinalis is a powerhouse for anti-aging skincare. This vibrant flower stimulates collagen production, boosting skin elasticity and helping to keep those pesky wrinkles at bay. Its antioxidant properties protect your skin from environmental damage, promoting a youthful, firm complexion. By supporting skin regeneration and locking in hydration, calendula helps maintain that fresh, revitalized look we all crave. Incorporating it into your routine can make a real difference, giving your skin the care it needs to glow and stay youthful for longer. Calendula officinalis is a game changer for DIY skincare. Its healing and moisturizing properties make it perfect for homemade treatments. You can easily infuse calendula into creams, balms, or oils, creating products that nourish and soothe your skin. For a simple balm, just steep dried calendula flowers in olive oil, strain, and mix with beeswax. Or, for a hydrating facial oil, combine calendula-infused oil with a few drops of essential oils like lavender. These natural remedies not only promote glowing skin, but also connect you with the power of nature. Embrace the magic of calendula in your skincare routine. Calendula officinalis is a game changer for your hair care routine. This vibrant flower isn't just pretty. It's packed with nourishing properties that can transform your hair. Want hydration? A calendula-infused hair mask is your best friend. It deeply moisturizes, leaving your locks soft and manageable. Looking for shine? A simple calendula rinse can elevate your hair's luster, making it look vibrant and healthy. With its soothing qualities, calendula is perfect for all hair types. Embrace this botanical wonder and watch your hair thrive naturally. Calendula officinalis isn't just a pretty flower, it's a powerhouse for your skin. Its healing and anti-inflammatory properties make it fantastic for reducing the appearance of stretch marks and cellulite. By improving skin elasticity and promoting regeneration, calendula can help smooth out those common concerns. You can easily incorporate it into your routine. Think infused oils or soothing balms. Over time, you'll notice healthier, firmer skin that feels as good as it looks. Embrace the natural benefits of calendula and transform your skincare game.